to acquire knowledge. These three gifts make us special. One more addition to making us such is that we have been gifted with the faculty of reason, the faculty of distinguishing things from bad to good. That is why we know the relationship with our mother and the relationship with our wife is different. And that distinction can be mutilated. And of course there are different theories which have been framed, which have been in fact definitely created by several scholars about how to go to acquire knowledge. Quran has also instructed us that there is an obligation upon every human being to acquire, to obtain and to impart knowledge. The word impart is very important. How do we impart knowledge unless we have not obtained it? And imparting is not simply teaching, imparting also includes creating. And there comes the idea of research. The basic objective of higher education, to my mind, is dissemination and generation of knowledge. Knowledge has to be generated. The facts and reality